Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the on-screen keyboard on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start icon and select Settings. Note, if you have to move the keyboard out of the way, you can just move it off the screen somewhere. You want to go ahead and, if you're underneath System here, that's probably where most of you guys are going to start. Go ahead and select the Accessibility option on the left side, and then scroll down on the right until you get underneath Interaction and select Keyboard. Scroll down, and where it says On-Screen Keyboard, you can go ahead and toggle that to the off position by clicking inside that oval, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.